let's kick it off.
Awesome.
So we have an awesome technology. It is absolutely revolutionary. This technology is a weight-supporting ceiling receptacle that works with a plug, a universal plug that you can put on any light, ceiling fan, smart home technology product, and easily plug in your light fixtures. So what we have here is a weight-supporting ceiling receptacle. We'll talk exactly about how much weight it can hold in just a little bit, but the most fascinating part about this is you can now no longer need to install fixtures with hard wiring, but instead wire this one time into a junction box.
You know, I think it's one of those things where we're going to demonstrate it up here.
Yeah.
It goes so fast, it's almost eerie. It's like it should be harder than it is.
Well, the plug's so universal and it's so easy to use. Anybody can push the button, retract the ball bearings, and it's going to plug right into the outlet. And in seconds, you've installed lighting, fans, and smart home tech.
And then that's it. So that's it. That's power. If that's got power to it, the light fixture's on, we're done.
Exactly. Once you have this outlet wired into a junction box, at that point, you can turn the breaker back on, and anybody can go up a ladder and in seconds install. So we're reducing that time on the ladder. We're creating a much safer work environment, and we're creating a safer, like, long-term junction box for the homeowner who wants to easily replace their lighting after, you know, maybe 3 years instead of the average 7. So these are two of our exterior fixtures. We have a whole line of our own lighting. Our technology does also work with other lighting. I'll stand over here with you. And see, in a click of a button, both Nick and Swede have installed a SkyX light fixtures in seconds.
Round of applause for installing light fixtures very quickly. I feel like that was a little too easy. Like, I feel like we need to up the ante and make it a little bit more challenging.
I would agree.
And I can think of something that's, I feel like ceiling fans are the bane of everyone's existence, right? They're difficult to install, they're heavy, they're unwieldy, it's a 2-person operation sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we use this for a ceiling fan?
Yes, absolutely. The Sky Plug can be put onto a ceiling fan. We would basically just do the same install that you saw here. Now, of course, there's some assembly that gets involved with our ceiling fans. The one that Nick has right now in his hands, it is already assembled. The blades are on. So he's going to be able to install this in seconds, even with the blades on. And let's go ahead and drive up the competition and see if Swede can install and how long it's going to take him to install this ceiling fan from a traditional hard wiring installation.
Yeah, let's time them, but I think we need to give Swede a head start. Wow.
The product sells itself. The ease of installation sells itself. And the fact that he was on that ladder in no time and back down, we've created a much safer work environment for Nick than is happening right here for poor Swede.
All right, so we talked also about how strong these things, how much weight they can carry. And we know that, like,
quite a bit.
A fan box, you know, is rated for at least 70 pounds.
Yes.
I think 120-pound light fixtures, but fixtures get up to 200 pounds.
Yeah, and a big question we always get is, are they UL listed? Absolutely. Are they CAS? Yes, they are. So in order to get a rating from UL, we have to test our products. That plug that you have in your hand and that outlet, when working together, have been tested up to 400 pounds. UL rates us at 100 pounds. So obviously our junction boxes, if you think about them, lighting junction boxes are supported at 50 pounds. And then your, fan junction box is supported at 75.
That's amazing. So you've brought up safety a couple of times.
Yeah.
Right? So you know that's a structural plug. The light fixture is going to stay where you put it. You can install it safely. You can work under it safely.
That's right.
It's pretty awesome little invention you guys
It's
came up
revolutionary. You install this Sky outlet or weight supporting ceiling receptacle, as it's mentioned in the NEC code book, at Ruffin. You can put the cover plate on, cap it, and then when you go to get an electrical final, you actually can get passed for your certificate of occupancy without needing temporary light fixtures. You got to keep the project rolling.
That's pretty awesome.